Do you ever get stuck for ideas on what to create? Maybe it's time to roll a Picasso. I had never heard of this activity before, but I recently saw a very interesting video by another YouTuber. I'll link their video below. And this activity involves rolling a die, and depending on what number you get, you put in the corresponding eye, nose, mouth, or ear. Some of the times I rolled the die twice to get 2 eyes or 2 ears. Other times I just went with 1, and I ended up with a variety of characters. It was pretty interesting. As I put in their facial features at random, I could see little personalities emerging. One guy seemed cranky, one woman seemed a little flighty. It was really funny how with just these simple cartoony shapes, you could quickly see different personalities emerging. There are many variations of this game all over Pinterest. I saw a lot of variations on the Picasso one, where sometimes you can roll for each eye, or there's different shapes for the features. There are a lot of other artists to play the game with as well. A quick search, I found Georgia O'Keeffe, Matisse, and many others. I let the randomness of the die choose the features, but I was pretty pleased to get those cute little sideways lips with this grumpy looking man's face. For each little drawing, I added some blue, some purple, and some green, and sometimes I accentuated certain features or I filled in the background. By this point, I was really imagining what was on the mind of each of these little characters. I put a little blurb at the end for them if you want to check that out. 6 of these little characters could fit on a sketchbook page, so I set aside 2 of them. And I found a page in my sketchbook that I really didn't like, and I decided to tape these to a piece of paper in front of that terrible, terrible, no good illustration. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. I would love to know what you think if you want to leave a comment, and I'll leave you with a little peek at what exactly is on these people's minds.